Hello everyone, welcome to Buildium tutorial. My name is Jana Cristo and today's topic is moving out a tenant, how to withhold security deposits, and how to apply the prepaid rent. So let's look at how we can move out a tenant. Go to rentals and then rent roll. And let's open this tab. Okay, so here's the tenant and we want to, on the right side, there is an end lease button. Okay, and then you have steps that you need to follow. It's very easy. So let's start with step 1, move out tenant. I would pretend that they're moving out. They've moved out yesterday, so we can go with move out. Okay. And I don't, do you see the lease term here automatically adjusted the lease term to end yesterday on February 2nd. Okay, so next enter additional charges. So they, in this case, breaking the lease. So we're gonna charge them, let's say, and generally a lot more than that, but let's say $1,000 for breaking the lease. And that would be, which account would that be? That would be other income. We don't want this to go to rental income, so we'll save it. And let's say they when they moved out, we went to inspect it and we saw that they created, they damaged something, and for simplicity's sake, like let's say they damaged $500, and okay, we'll say 500 and okay, save. And let's see, maybe they still owe us $500 in rent. Okay, rent income 500, save it. Okay, well, let's see, balance due. We holding 2,000 in deposit and 2,000 is due. So the next step is step 3, apply deposit to charges. Very easy. We're applying all the charges to the security deposit. Okay, 1,000 here, 500 for rent. Okay, we're specifying how much we're applying to each charge. In this case, okay, so 2,000 withhold deposit. Okay, I don't, nothing is left, balance due, and I'm not gonna issue refund, but if you had left over something, then you click on issue refund and send a check to the tenant from here. Step 4. I don't have anything left, so I'm gonna print the tenant statement and let's have a look. Deposit held 0, previous balance 0, balance due 0. If your state requires that you send a detailed accounting before you issue refunds. You can do that on step 2 after you enter additional charges. You can print out an invoice for the tenant right here, save and prepare invoice for the tenant, and just follow your state law. You can find it on rentsy.com. We have a page with all landlord-tenant laws and specifically for security deposit for each state. So that's it for today. This video was in response to an email I received this morning asking me how to move out a tenant in Buildium. If you have any questions, or if you don't know how to do something in Buildium or in general, anything about property management, just send me an email or ask a question in the comments in this video or any other video. Thank you, and please subscribe. It helps me and helps this channel.